Hello everyone. Guys, it's my off day, which means cleaning day. So I'm quite lazy today. Let me show you guys what's going on here in my kitchen. Look at that's a lot, huh? Ang dami. Oh my goodness. So because I had a lot of things to do, to clean the ref, to clean the stove, microwave stove, oven, and to fold, um, to fold the clothes that I wash. And I'm gonna wash more over there. Uh-oh, girl thing. This is all about girls. So since I'm gonna do a lot of things, I'm lazy to wash today. I'm going to wash our dishes with our Whirlpool dishwasher. Yan. Pang tamad. I don't usually use that, but since ang dami ang gagawin, actually I'm not lazy, but I have a lot of things to do. So let me show you how will I wash on our dishwasher, okay? First, let me check if there's inside. Okay, it's clear because everything I washed through my hands, I put it there to dry up. So, second, before I put all these dishes, I'm going to rinse first to make sure that there won't be no extra like this or else it will be clogged to our dishwasher. So let's do it, guys. Pag nasa bahay, hindi matapos ang trabaho, guys, ng mga babae. Usually, we are all multitask for our family. We can do working outside. And also, we're doing our responsibility at home where it should be, you know? So guys, rinsing is done. Ayan, okay na-rinse ko na. So, itong mga to, hindi siya pwedeng, this cannot be washed in the dishwasher because it will be melted, and this one is too longer and hindi masasara yung dishwasher. Ito, I use this, reuse this one because I'm using this one for my baby Asia's food, and I will freeze it. So, and this is also cannot be there. Our chopping board, and this one is just because it's big. So here we go, guys. This is what I did. All the smallest goes up there. The glasses, these are all the small bowls and plates. Okay, so I have to make sure that this will not be hit up there. Okay, it's good, everything is good. But this one, why are you coming out? Okay, so next is I put the big plates, pans over there, covers, and I also have to make sure because there is like a cleansing whirlpool there. So I have to make sure that this will not touch that this one. It should not be touched when it turns like that. When I turn this on, when I started this dishwasher, this will be moved like that. So all clear. So when it moves, it should not be blocking all these plates. Okay, everything is safe. So this one, guys, I put all the utensils, silverware here in order. I have here the spoon, fork, knife, and some bread knife as well. So this can be put here, the soap, or you just put it inside. So here is our soap that we are going to use in the dishwasher. So this is like generic brand, but it work well to us. I'm gonna use this two like this, two blocks or something, I don't know. All I do, this one should be put in here like that. Let me show you. So I put one over there and then lock it up. Okay, and then this one should just only drop like that. Okay, and then so guys, here we go, already close. We have here like that, pots and pans, normal item, high temperature, but this is already set up, my husband. So all I do is I just turn, make sure it's locked. It's just turn this one to pots and pans, and ta-da! Did you hear that, guys? So let me try my best for you to hear. Dun, 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 dun. Let's hear it. Listen. Can you hear, guys? All right. So while waiting, I have to wash this from my hands. Okay, let's do it. So this is rinsing area that I have using it, and this one would be for soap. I have to cover this one here and then just put the liquid soap there. So like this. And then turn it to warm to sanitize all of it. All rinsing here. This one already rinsed, and I have to put all in here with the soap. Yes. Oh, but this one is later because it's wood, you know. I'm done, guys. So this time all done. Yan, na-wash ko na siya. But I have to dry this one. So let's go back to our dishwasher. It's done, guys. From pots and pan, normal here, pots and pans, normal wash, automatic rinse, and then it goes to dry. Now it's almost done to off. We'll see a little later.
A few moments later.
Oh, dishwashing is done. It's already off. Okay, let's take a look inside, guys. Still hot. Ooh, so hot. So that's it. It's all dry, guys. But still it's warm. It's hot. And it's all clean. There you go. It's all dry and hot. So that's the way I wash when I have a lot of things to do. But usually I'm using my hands in dishwashing, guys. Not bad at all. I thought before it's not that clean when using dishwashing. But it is good. It is clean as well. So let's close it back. That's the way I use this Whirlpool dishwasher. Alright? Tara, laban naman tayo, guys.